Home builders and HVAC contractors in new construction. Want to take a moment here to introduce you to a new product by Aprilaire that is unmatched in its ability to handle fresh air ventilation and humidity in new construction builds in humid environments across America. Introducing to you the E100V with the 8190FF ventilation system. Let's discuss a few features that set this new product apart. Our E100V with 8190FF is designed off of our new E-Series dehumidifier line with its brand new energy efficiency rating from Energy Star, designed to handle the high levels of humidity that build up in new construction homes. This is a really important product because it provides you with several advantages that you simply can't get out of an air conditioning system. You see, air conditioning systems were never meant to handle dehumidification. It's just kind of a byproduct of what they do. When humidity spikes in a home, you really want to have the most efficient and effective way of handling that, and that's what a dehumidifier does for you. Furthermore, air conditioners are based off of set points, meaning they're only going to run if the temperature tells them so. And then our mornings when we're cooler air, our evenings, and in our shoulder seasons, the air conditioner may not run at all, and the humidity levels in the home are going to continue to rise, and that's when problems occur. Managing the latent load in a house with a dehumidifier allows a builder to properly ventilate a home in any climate without having to worry about adding too much humidity to the home. Another great feature of the E100V with the 8190FF is its ability to deliver 165 CFM of fresh air into the home while ensuring that we're handling the moisture load that could come along with that. The E100V with 8190FF has smarts. It features our patented control logic that allows us to bring in fresh air when the outdoor temperatures make sense to do so. This helps us meet ventilation requirements without having to sacrifice energy efficiency. Another key feature of this ventilation piece, so when this 6-inch damper isn't powered, it's going to remain closed, but the 10-inch damper is going to remain open so that we can handle all of the RH management needs inside of the home. Now, when it's time to ventilate, this gets powered. This damper will close off the 10-inch collar, allowing the air to pass through the 6-inch inlet only, providing fresh air for the home. This gives Aprilaire a really big advantage. The patent-pending design allows for plug-and-play installation with all the needed components in one box. Once installed, the E100V with the 8190FF seamlessly manages all of the humidity needs within the home and within the ventilation stream. The ability to manage humidity that arises in the home, as well as humidity that can be ventilated into the home with fresh air, really provides a complete solution and protection for both the home and the homeowner. Excess humidity in the air, it negatively impacts the health of the humans in the home as well as the structure of the home. When it comes to healthy, properly conditioned air, this is the right product for the job. Give your home buyers peace of mind that their new home is healthy, comfortable, and operating efficiently with the new E100V and 8190FF ventilating dehumidification system by Aprilaire. To learn more about this great new product, all of its features and benefits, and how it works, please contact your local Aprilaire representative today or visit us at our website, www.aprilairepartners.com. And with that, thanks for listening. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time. Take care.